This is William Wood in Palmdale, California. The cost of watering and maintaining the lawn was getting to be a real problem. It turned into an eyesore, and I wanted to improve the beauty and quality of my house. I found Inner City Skyline through the internet. I interviewed quite a few companies, and I was satisfied with Jacob and his promotional benefits, and I was able to get an extremely good job from him. He did more than he said he would originally. He did an extra garden for me on the side, put in 15 plants altogether along with the astroturf, and the place looks absolutely beautiful. I've got nothing but compliments from my neighbors. The job was done in a couple of days. It didn't really take too long. It's very nice. I'm much more pleased with the looks of the house. I already have recommended Inner City Skyline to friends and family and neighbors. I would thank Jacob for all the work he did in making this possible, and he did an extremely good job. I can't give him enough praise.